No intro, no outro, straight fire. All right, let's go ahead and get into the trades for this week. See what we have our eyes on for the week ahead. First things first, looking at the dollar index. Going into Monday, Tuesday, dollar index took out sell side liquidity, which is my indication. Okay, maybe the dollar index wants to push a little bit higher. There's an unmitigated POC right here, so potentially seeing price get to this area and then seeing what it wants to do. But short term, I have buys for the dollar index. So if the dollar index is bullish, that means USD JPY, USD CHF, USD CAD are all bullish as well. And then AU, EU, GU, NU is all bearish. So let me just kind of rearrange this very quickly. So start with AU. All right, so looking for a bearish setup. I've been in this trade since last week, so I'm gonna still hold it. I do anticipate price hitting my take profit before deciding that it wants to go down. So far, it is setting up for the bearish move. Price took out some buy side liquidity. So that's my second confluence. And then my third confluence will be a closure below the POC. So just waiting for price to kind of play out with that. So I already have two of my three confluences. Confluence one, opposite of the dollar index. Confluence two, took out sell side liquidity. Confluence three, just pending up, close below the POC. EUR USD, same thing, setting up good. Confluence one, DXY opposite. Confluence two, took out buy side liquidity. Confluence three, I'm just waiting for price to close below the POC. Keeping that one on my watch list. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead, add this, the eyeball, because I'm waiting. Add this, the eyeball, because I'm waiting. GU, again, looking for sells. None of my confluences lined up. Looking for sells, that means I will want buy side liquidity to be taken out. And no buy side liquidity has been taken out. However, sell side liquidity has been taken out. So depending how I feel, and depending how price is matching up with the closure above the POC, I might take a counter trend to this unmitigated POC right here, but it just depends. For me, and just kind of like my risk strategy and what I'm looking for. So this is kind of a question mark. NZD USD, again, looking for sells, buy side liquidity taken, buy side liquidity taken. So that's one confluence opposite of DXY, two confluences. So now I'm just waiting for the close below the POC. All right, on to the DXY with the USD being the leading pair. So price took out, nope, it did not. Price did not take out sell side liquidity. So not entering into this trade, but as soon as it does, and then I have a closure above the POC, then I'm good. So as of right now, none of my confluences hit. USD JPY, USD CHF, excuse me. So what happened? Boom. Sell side liquidity was swept. Close above the POC. And as you can see, I am in this trade right now. 15 pip stop loss. We'll see how it plays out. It's either going to hit me or hit me. It's either going to hit me out or go in my intended direction. But right now, three of my confluences lined up. Same direction as the DXY. Closed above the POC. Took out sell side liquidity. And then last but not least, USD JPY. Again, this is why it is not okay to counter trend, because you get hit out. And that's just the reality of it. USD JPY, what is happening? The dollar index is bullish temporarily, right? So that means I should have been looking for a bullish move for the dollar index. Instead, I was trying to catch a counter trend, buy side liquidity taken out, close below the POC, entered in, and it completely hit me out because I wanted to anticipate price to come down here to this one to control as a target. But as you can see, price completely hit me out for the counter trend. So this is I lost 2% by not following my trade rule, and this is why it's important to follow your trade rule, because you follow it and then you don't get hit out. But I mean, it's one of those things where it is what it is. Can't cry over spoiled milk. So there's that. So temporarily bullish for the dollar index. So again, USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF are also bullish. AU, EU, GU, NU is bearish. All right. So no intro, no outro, straight fire. Happy trading this week.